Hey everyone, is your Gmail in the wrong language, or do you just want to switch to one you're more comfortable with? I'll show you exactly how to change it in under a minute. Super simple, I promise. Let's jump right in. First things first, look at the top right corner of your Gmail inbox. You'll see a gear icon. This is your settings button. Go ahead and click on it. A quick settings menu will pop up with a few common options. But we need the full settings panel, so click on See All Settings at the very top of this menu. Now you're in the full Gmail settings dashboard. Make sure you're on the General tab. It should be selected by default, but if not, click on it. Now, find the language option in this General tab. This controls your Gmail display language, basically what language all the buttons, menus, and labels appear in. Click on the drop-down menu next to Gmail display language. You'll see a long list of available languages, everything from Arabic to Vietnamese. Pretty impressive, right? For this tutorial, I'll select French as an example. Just click on your preferred language from the list. Here's the crucial part, don't forget this step. Scroll all the way down to the bottom of the settings page and click Save Changes button. If you don't save, your language won't actually change. And there we go. As you can see, all the interface elements like Inbox, Compose, and the menu options are now displayed in French. Your emails themselves won't change language, just the Gmail interface. Super simple, right? If you want to change it back, just follow the same steps and select a different language. If this helped you out, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.